Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Folu's Kitchen. On this channel, I share my creativity of Nigerian, Finnish and other recipes to the world. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. And if this is your first time of tuning in into my channel, you are highly welcome. And please remember to click the subscribe button so you get to see more of my video as it keeps coming. Also turn on the notification bell. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this Finnish cardamom bun. This bun, which is made of sweet cheese dough, is mostly common in Finland. And without wasting so much of your time, let's get right into the video. So here are all the ingredients needed for this recipe. I have my warm milk and my melted butter. This you can pop your butter and your milk in the microwave. So you also need a separate bowl. I have dry yeast. Now I'm going to be pouring half of the all-purpose flour into the separate bowl. Pour your yeast into the flour. Then mix the yeast and the flour together. Then set aside. Attach your dough hook to the stand machine. Pour your warm milk into the mixing bowl. Add the flour with yeast. Mix the flour and the yeast together. At first, you can mix on a low speed, then gradually increase your speed. Now I'm going to be scraping the sides of my bowl. Then continue mixing. Again, I'll be scraping the sides of my bowl. Then continue to mix. At this stage, I'll be adding my egg. I would also be adding my sugar, cardamom and salt. Then continue to mix until it is well combined. Now I will be adding some of the remaining flour. Continue to mix your bun dough. Then I'm going to be scraping the sides of my bowl. Continue to mix. You can also increase your speed. Again, I'm going to be scraping the sides of my bowl. Then continue to mix until it is well stick together. As you can see now, I'm going to be adding my melted butter. Then continue to mix. Then lastly, I'm going to be adding the remaining flour. And then continue to mix until it is well combined together. Now I'm going to be scraping it down. Also check the dough with your hand to see if it's ready. If it sticks to your hand, add little more flour and continue to mix. So I'll be adding some flour. And then continue mixing. So I'm going to be scraping it down. You can see my dough. As you can see, your dough should be a little bit thicker and not too watery. You can see, you can just use your hand to feel it. So I'm going to be adding some flour. So now I'll be transferring the dough into another bowl. First, grease the bowl with oil spray. Then transfer your burnt dough into the bowl. Then cover with a kitchen cloth. Let it double in size between 30 to 40 minutes. Now our dough has rested for 40 minutes. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Then I'm going to be pressing it down a little bit to inflate the air in the dough. Then now I will start working on my dough. Sprinkle some flour on the work table. Put your dough on the work table. Sprinkle some flour on the dough and knead for about 5 minutes. Then roll your dough into a long straight line. If it's a little bit sticky, you can put some flour on your palm and continue to roll the dough into a long straight line. As you are rolling it, keep stretching a little bit. Sprinkle some flour on the spatula, then cut into smaller equal pieces. Sprinkle some flour on the dough. Then roll into a desirable shape. Then put your bun on the parchment paper. Continue to roll your bun into a circular shape. Then now I've finished working on the dough. Also remember to leave space in between the bun so that it doesn't stick together. Cover again with a piece of cloth and let it rest for 5 minutes. So now it's time to bake. Remove your cloth. Brush your egg wash on the surface and sides of the bun. Sprinkle some raesugar on the surface of the bun. Then now it's time to bake. Put the Finnish cardamom bun in the preheated oven. Then bake at 180 degrees between 15 to 20 minutes. And now our Finnish cardamom bun is ready. Look at that. You can see the inside. This is yummy. And now we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, remember to give it a thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell for more new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.